can't have a LEGO YouTube video without a time-lapse build. You'll see in the background I'm building Optimus's dominant leg, which is his left leg, because all leaders are left-handed. First thing we need to do is measure the part we're going to print on, which is part number 6318584. We've got the measurements, which is 16 by 48. These are millimeters. You can work out the inches yourself, you Americans. Now we have the LEGO part size. We can scan in the sticker sheet and scale it to the size of the LEGO part. Drop in an Illustrator to vectorize the sticker art so it can be UV printed onto the sticker pieces. The next thing to do is to design the UV jig. This is comprised of two layers. The top layer is to hold the pieces in place. It's made from matte black. This is to help reduce the refraction of UV light, which can damage the print head. Also, you can see at each end it's flush with the LEGO piece. This is to catch any overprint, as you don't want to have the UV printing into the air, which creates spray and can dry on the print head, also causing damage to the printer. And hopefully this is how the parts look when they're finished. Before I show you the finished laser cut jig, let's see how this leg came together. Here we have the laser cut jig. I've UV printed some guidelines on there to help stick on the top layer so the pieces fit snug. Got to make sure it's orientated the right way when it goes in the printer, or else the pieces will not print in the right spot. Just checking that the pieces fit in snug, which they do, and then this will be placed in the printer and the UV head will just move across it and print slowly. Here's my UV printer, and the little fella wanted to help out, so I let him put the pieces in. And here we've got a time lapse of printing. See how it's throwing down a little white layer first? This is to make sure that the top layer pops out, or else you'll have the grey undertones of the piece come through. And the pieces came out really vibrant and crisp and look great, much better than the sticker counterpart. Let's have a quick look at the knees. Yep, come out perfect. To give Optimus his knees. Don't want to have him kneecap like Nancy Kerrigan. And then we'll put on his front panel. Now I've put the knees on upside down here, but I fix it up for the final reveal, which you'll see in a second. Thanks for watching all the way through. Don't forget to comment down below if you'd like these parts. I've got a few spares, so I'll send out to 3 people who have this set. Could ship anywhere in the world, we'll ship it to you. Just comment down below, I like decals, not stickers, and we'll send it out to you. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you like this, check out my video on how we distilled eucalyptus oil at my parents' property. Thanks for watching.